Welcome to this short instructional video about how to produce your Semester 1 reports for advisors. First step is not to start with Atlas, but to start with your Finder. The first step would be to create a folder and call that folder Semester 1 Reports. So I've got a report cards folder. You'll see there that I have my progress report folder there. So in the same space I'm going to do 2011, 2012, Sem 1 reports. This is where we're going to save all the reports that we're about to generate through Akili. So once that's done, jump into either Safari or Firefox. Don't use Chrome, because Chrome will not automatically name your report card with the student name. Firefox and Safari will do that part for you, so that will make it a little bit slicker. So we jump into Akili, and we're using Mark's account here, so he's chosen his advisory class. The first step he's going to do is check the student roster. Check he's got all these kids there. Once that's good, jump into the report cards tab. In the report cards tab, we start to view the report cards. Now, by this stage, you should have given your advisory students the form that Scott will be giving you. Your students will have circled the classes that they're taking or that they took in first semester, and that piece of paper that they have confirmed their classes on is the one that you're going to use to check that all the elements of the report card have been completed by each teacher. So just ignore the ATL space at the bottom. We'll work on getting that moved somewhere else at a later date. So jump into View Report Card. When the report card finally loads, you need to check that everything has been added in that is required. So you have your checklist there, and you can see the grades that have been added in the overview at the start. But then simply scroll through, check the subject, and check that the 4 elements are there: ATLs, levels, grade, and there'll be a comment in there as well. When they're done for English, scroll down to the next subject, repeat the process, and work your way to the bottom of the report. If you find that there is something missing, or if there's an error, then please contact the classroom teacher directly. Explain what you found, ask them to correct it, and then let you know when it is corrected, so that you can then come back into Akili and save the reports. So jump up to the File menu, click Save As. It should automatically load the student's name. We want you to add the grade level at the start. So the name is already selected, so if you click the up arrow, it'll jump you right to the start. Then you just add in the grade and an underscore and save. And then you'll see in your listing a grade 9, Suraj, and that's his report. So once you have completed that one, you close that off, click on Next Student, View Report Card, and once that's loaded, repeat the process, save it as, up arrow, grade level underscore, and save. And that's all there is to it with saving the report cards to PDF. Close the tab, next student, and so on.